NIBCO ABS DWV fittings are used in drain, waste, and vent systems. This video demonstrates the solvent welding procedure for installing ABS DWV fittings. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local plumbing codes. To solvent weld NIBCO ABS DWV fittings, you will need a cutting tool, non-synthetic rags, a deburring tool, cement applicators, and ABS solvent cement. Before solvent welding, remove fittings and pipe from cartons and allow them to reach the same temperature for at least 1 hour. Cut the plastic pipe square using a wheel cutter or fine-toothed blade and guide. Remove all burrs and debris. Bevel pipe end to prevent wiping cement during assembly. Check the dry fit. Insert pipe with light pressure. Pipe should go no further than 1/3 to 3/4 of the socket depth. Select the correct ABS solvent cement. ABS solvent cement is used with Schedule 40, DWV, and SDR pipe through 12 inches. Apply full, even coat of ABS solvent cement to pipe beyond socket depth. Apply medium coat to fitting socket, avoiding puddling. Apply second coat to pipe. Insert pipe fully and rotate 1/4 turn to distribute cement evenly. Hold joint together for 10 to 15 seconds to prevent pushout. Before joint sets, wipe off excess cement from outside of fitting and pipe. Proper joint shows continuous cement bead around entire fitting. The ABS DWV fitting is now properly installed. Do not take shortcuts. Always follow installation instructions completely.